Hello folks, welcome back to another practice session. Let's see how far we get. I'm going to start off with the whip toss, the helicopter variation. I've been using this a lot and I really get good results out of it so far. Brings me in the early 20s. So it's 6-3-3. And plus it gives a lot of hardware hit that I usually don't get if I set it for the hardware, the regular toss. And I also found out that if I would toss it instead of vertical dice like this, if I toss it palm down and then twist it on the way out, it gives a better travel. 11, 6, 5. So I recommend you guys give that a try and see how it feels in your hand. But basically like this set so much that I really use the others that much. 6. Okay. Point made. So if you can control 2 dice, then the game is yours, you know. You just gotta hop them. That's why I try to hit the 12 all the time. Eventually I'll be able to hit a lot of 12s with this. Okay. 7. Buttons are off. We'll take it. Okay. Reset the alot all short. 2, 5, 7. Five. Points 5. 1, 4. Yeah, the more I use this technique, the more and easier I'm able to tweak it. It starts to reveal itself a little bit more to me. 5, 1, 4. See what I mean? Point made. Here's the 1. Here's the 4. Eight. 3, 5. Points 8. There's so many variables with dice tossing. The only way to eliminate those and narrow them down is just actually put in the time, you know. Right now I'm trying to figure out the amount of energy that's needed to achieve the 12. Okay, 6, 4, 2. But like I said, I really like this toss. 5. Okay, 1, 4. Ten, 6, 4. A lot of 4s in one of these combinations. When you practice a lot, it does 2 things. It gives you muscle memory, and it gives you pattern recognition with your eyes, association with the grips and techniques and throws. 6, 2, 4. Now, when you're at the casino and stuff, I don't recommend you start betting crazy right away unless you're really confident. Okay, you want to do a couple rolls here and there first to get warmed up. Okay, 6, 1, 5. Working out. This is some pattern developing, but not the 12 that I really want. 4, 3, 1. Nine, 4, 5. Seems like random, but believe me, it's not. Eight. Point made. 5, 3. 8. It's about 9 roll ready. So. Four, 1, 3, points 4. And like I said, I really like this set and the technique. It's 10 roll. Okay, 6. It's hitting all the box numbers. Six, 1, 5. A lot of repeatability on this. Five, 1, 4. Oops, sorry, I flipped it. So give it a shot, give it a try. I highly recommend it. Not at the casino thing, but at a practice, see how well you like it. 11, 6, 5. 10, 6, 4. Okay, that's a 10. Five, 1, 4. 5, 1, 4. It's about 18 rolls so far. Seven out. So this is from the previous set. That's about 4 roll. Okay. And this is when the 7 fell in the right spot. And this is the rest of it. So we're looking at about 18 roll. So 5, okay, 10. We kill that 6 and 5. Oops. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 22 row. Not bad. Alright, end this video. Keep it short and I'll restart the next section. Hope you practice. Take care.